Hello guys, once again in this video I will show you how to generate pictures or elements that designers really need, or you just need it on your website, or it is independent, like it is really needed for your team. All what you need to do is just open browser, then type we pick AI generate images, and then you will find the first link one. All what you need to do is just sign in, and I will use an element like this for the team building icon. I will use it in my presentation, or I just on my website. What I need to do is just not picking a style as first, but I will just create for me an element that represents team building, and I will just wait for it to generate it. I will just wait, just last random library for that. So the model and I will just make it auto, and you can just make references like the same picture that you want or something. So yeah, so that's it. All what you need to do is just create element without any purchasing like memberships or so on, just earn it by yourself. So that's for the video. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, like and share.